Hi everyone, this is Grace, and today I'm going to walk you through how I made this beginner birthday set of cookies, so let's go. This is a class called Beginner Birthday. I do have a more advanced birthday class that is on circles, uses 3 consistencies, but this one, my friends, uses one and only. This has become my signature beginner approach, just using one consistency. I gotta say, it is quite the limiting constraint or enabling constraint to only have one consistency to work with when you're trying to do a real variety of especially realistic designs, but I love the challenge. So we're rocking a very classic drip cake. Thank you, Grace. I love this design because you can flood the entire base white and then just do the drip on top. There's no need to be flooding each section individually, thank goodness. And the key with the drip here is to do the drips farther apart than you think they need to be because you're using a flood consistency, so it is going to spread out. Next up, we have this precious hat. By the way, I custom designed all of these cutters with Brighton cutters. I love coming up with like the perfect versions of all of the simplest shapes. I do provide Amazon alternatives for everything that is available, but I really encourage you to support small businesses. I mean, the cutters I do on Amazon are from Ann Clark, which I think is still considered a small business. But Brighton Cutters is certainly a very small business over in California. 3D printed cookie cutters. Anywho, this was the perfect application for Crackle if I ever did see one. I mean, it's a party hat, my friends. I agonized over the colors for this class. Agonize. If you're on my email list, you know I sent a million emails out trying to get people's opinion on what to do. And this is the set of colors that came at the 11th hour. I wanted to do something that was gender neutral, that was the most applicable as possible. So I went with primary colors, which honestly didn't even occur to me. I'm not a primary color kind of person, but apparently it's very common for birthdays. So who knew? But in the workbook, I do include a whole bunch of color palette alternatives with images, which I just had from when I was trying to decide what color palette to do, but it ended up being a really nice little clear option on other alternatives here. Here we are rocking that nice little drip situation again. I really worked hard to make this set of cutters as simple as possible, the designs as simple as possible. I do hope to do a more advanced birthday set on this set of cutters at some point, but for now, my friends, we're going to do the beginner version. Love that. Simple balloon. And this, I was a little nervous about how to do the present in a beginner version, but I've actually used this cookie cutter before in a Hanukkah set that I did years ago. And I did the top of that set, that present crackle, because I am not a big fan of doing bows. Bows are just not my friend. So that's fine, because as you'll see in a minute, I think the crackle top looks really crackly cool. Okay, that was not a good joke. Not a good joke, Grace. Okay. What else can I say? I don't know. Oh, it takes about 10 to 20 minutes for your icing to be ready to crackle. If it's more like an indent, it just needs a few more minutes. And oh, that's it. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Again, it is the beginner birthday class. Go check it out on my website. It is linked in the description of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe you fell asleep on me. I don't know. That's great. That's fantastic. Love y'all. See you in the next one.